Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchenware set that promises to elevate your cooking experience, the Nuwave Lux 13-piece Premium Cookware Collection. This set boasts next-generation G11 Duralon Blue ceramic nonstick, and the company claims it's ultra-durable, PFAS-free, lightweight, and works on all cooktops. Let's break down what that really means for your everyday cooking. First off, let's talk about the craftsmanship. Nuwave emphasizes that each piece is designed to be both strong and lightweight. This is a crucial balance. You want cookware that feels substantial enough to handle robust cooking, but not so heavy that it becomes a chore to maneuver, especially when full of food. This collection aims to offer that sweet spot, combining a premium design with practical performance. The star of the show here is the next-gen G11 Duralon Blue coating. Nuwave highlights this as their most advanced ceramic non-stick surface yet, promising exceptional food release and superior cooking performance. What's particularly important is their commitment to health. This coating is completely free from PFAS, lead, and cadmium. This is a significant selling point for many consumers today, seeking to avoid potentially harmful chemicals in their cookware, especially given that these toxins can be released at high temperatures. The claim is that even at high heat, you're not dealing with harmful chemicals or toxic fumes, which is a big plus for peace of mind in the kitchen. Nuwave also makes a direct comparison to their previous G10 generation, stating that the G11 outperforms it in durability. They've engineered it to be tougher, longer lasting, and more resistant. This includes enhanced abrasion resistance, scratch protection, and heat endurance. If this holds true, it means the superior non-stick performance won't degrade quickly. Maintaining that easy food release and effortless cleanup over time is what separates good cookware from great cookware. We'll be looking to see if it lives up to these claims of longevity. When it comes to cooking itself, consistent heat performance is paramount. The forged base of this cookware is designed to heat rapidly and distribute heat evenly across the entire cooking surface. This is key to avoiding frustrating hot spots where food might burn while other areas remain undercooked. An even heat distribution means you can cook with more confidence, knowing that every part of your meal is being cooked perfectly. Another interesting feature is the flavor-locking lid design. These lids are precision-engineered with built-in flavor channels. The idea is that as steam and moisture rise, these channels redirect it back onto your food. This acts as a natural self-basting system. The benefit, according to Nuwave, is intensified flavors, retained nutrients, and juicier, more delicious meals. This is a clever design element that could really enhance the quality of your finished dishes. Versatility is also a major selling point. This cookware is compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops. This broad compatibility means it should fit seamlessly into most kitchens, regardless of your current setup. Furthermore, every piece in the collection, including the premium metal lids, is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a lot of possibilities, from finishing dishes in the oven to baking bread or roasting meats. It truly offers a transition from stovetop to oven without needing to switch pans. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons based on these details. On the positive side, the G11 Duralon Blue coating is a significant advantage, especially its PFAS-free, lead-free, and cadmium-free nature, offering a healthier cooking option. The claimed superior durability over previous generations and improved scratch and abrasion resistance are also very attractive. The even heat distribution promised by the forged base is essential for consistent cooking results. The flavor-locking lids are an innovative feature that could genuinely improve meal quality. Finally, the all cooktop compatibility and high oven-safe temperature make this collection incredibly versatile. However, there are potential considerations. While the cookware is described as lightweight, some users might still prefer even lighter options, depending on their personal preference and physical capabilities. The effectiveness of the flavor-locking lids will ultimately depend on the seal and the precision of the channels, which can vary. And as with any non-stick cookware, the long-term durability of the non-stick coating, even with the improved G11 technology, will always be a question that only extended real-world use can definitively answer. In conclusion, the Nuwave Lux 13-piece Premium Cookware Collection presents itself as a well-rounded option for home cooks. It hits many of the key features consumers look for today: health-conscious materials, durable non-stick performance, even heating, and versatile usability across different cooktops and ovens. The emphasis on a healthier cooking environment with the G11 Duralon Blue coating is particularly noteworthy. If it lives up to its promises of enhanced durability and consistent performance, this collection could indeed be a valuable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Link in the description.